Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars.
Welcome to my channel, YouTube. Today we are spraying some glass. Make sure to like and subscribe for future content. Achieve these near flawless refinishes, you must know your product, know your tools, know your flash times, respect them, and stay consistent with your overlap, with your panel distance. So this is the first coat straight off the gun. No flash time. It's still smoking. I'll let this sit about 10 minutes and I will hammer the second coat on. I'm using the Iwata LPH 400 1.4 tip. Here we go with the second coat. Notice my coats, I go past that door 4 to 5 inches into the adjacent panel. Keeps the buildup off of the edges. Just stay focused on what you're doing. Take your time. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. I'll definitely answer what I can for you. I've been spraying cars for about 24 years now, so I'm pretty sure whatever issue you have, I've run into it in the past. So this is where we're at with our second and final coat of clear. We're gonna let this set for 20 minutes and then we're gonna bake it at 120 degrees for 30 minutes. You want to make sure and let your clear breathe for 10 to 20 minutes before you bake it. If not, it's gonna pinch up, draw up, and die back. Other than a few dust nibs, this one turned out perfect. This is after the bake. It's pretty much dry. It's got to be reassembled. I may bake it another 20 minutes. I like to check it, make sure it's not dying off. If it hasn't died off at this point, it's not going to. As you can see, it's pretty much exactly like it looked when I walked out of the booth. Nice and flat. Pulled this bumper away and I slid that headlight forward so that there's a gap so the R&I police can suck it. Door handles are removed, belt moldings removed, inner doors are taped. All in all, it's a clean job. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I hope you've subscribed, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks again.